Topics for Corpus studies in LGS. We have talked a lot about what is corpus, how we select sample, how we conduct step-by-step research through corpus. Now I would suggest some topics for your practice. And the topics are based definitely from topics are based on our course. Before I suggest topics, one last point must be shared with you. Tags which you add into the original text, they remain hidden. When I showed you 3 boxes, the third box was showing result, and you have noted that this box doesn't show any of the tags. So tags are not visible on the screen. They remain hidden unless you are interested in knowing them. Okay. Tagging can be done through software, because you may be thinking that the teacher has told about just tagging of a social actor. So what about tagging of other items in a single sentence or many sentences in the sample of a corpus? This would be a very laborious task, tiresome task. The solution is that there are many softwares available these days which can automatically tag your text. So there are two options for you. Either you can do tagging if your sample is small manually, and if your sample is large, you can do it with the help of computer. Now some topics. Determining the effect of gender stereotyping on patient feedback. So here you have 2 variables. Your focus would be on effect of what? Gender stereotyping, the biased views about one sex, stereotyping. And the second variable is patient feedback. Patient feedback leads you to hospital situation, and you can guess from the topic that this research will be situated in hospital, in clinic of a doctor, where there is some talk between a doctor and patient, or doctor and nurse, paramedic. So the topic must be clear like this, and when topic is clear, you can easily guess about the context of your research, the type of data you need, the sample, everything would be clear if your topic is clear. Second topic is investigating gendered language. Your focus is gendered language. You want to investigate it. How? Through collocation, through concordance line patterns, which I showed you in one module. The third topic is the impact of language and gender studies. The impact of language and gender studies. So this is a kind of study that you conduct for understanding the social impact, social influence, social utility of the research that is conducted by academics, researchers, professors in the field of language studies. So how your research that was conducted in academic context is useful for non-academic context. This is called impact. We would talk about impact in later modules. Another topic is public engagement and wider communication. This is another topic. Last, text patterning and gender inequalities in institutions. Text patterning that you will get through concordance lines, and from those patterns which concordance line will show you, you will find out what inequalities in institutions, in courts, in hospitals, in classrooms, etc.